10 signs you're about to manifest what you want through the law of attraction.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special personal empowerment Law of Attraction podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh, this is an exciting time that we live in. I mean, things are manifest. You know, it seems like there's kind of a universal clock. And probably 100, 200 years ago, it took a lot of time for things to manifest. But now things are manifesting fast, fast, fast. I mean, it's incredible how fast you can manifest your deepest desires. I mean, think about it. The pyramids were an incredible manifestation, but they probably took centuries to manifest. We're talking about generational manifestation versus personal manifestation. And in the past, everything was generational manifestation. Things manifested over generations, sometimes over centuries. And it was kind of a group mind, a group intention that brought about the manifestation. But not so today. We are manifesting at the speed of thought. Your thoughts determine what you manifest. I'm going to share with you today 10 signs that you are manifesting what you want. I know we're always manifesting all the time. That's how the law of attraction works. We are co-creators with the universe. And so we are always manifesting. But these signs indicate that you are manifesting what you deeply desire, what you want through the law of attraction. I want to remind you to be sure and subscribe to us on YouTube or iTunes, wherever you're listening to us. But if you're on YouTube, you're automatically entered into our monthly drawing where we're giving away 3 manifesting accelerators each and every month. And if you're on YouTube with us, be sure and click the bell icon.
This is the #1 podcast on personal empowerment, success, and the law of attraction. You're listening to the Miracle Mentor of Light, Robert Zink.
Okay, #1 is coincidences happen. I mean, they're just over the top. I had one lady, she was telling me, she said, Robert, we've been separated a year now. I've been doing miracle mentoring with you, and I feel better. I feel more energized than ever before, but I'm still separated from my soulmate, from my boyfriend. And I said, well, keep focusing on your vibration, on your energy. And so she did that. And then she started calling me. I noticed that in our calls and in her text messages to me, she would say, I keep seeing his initials on license plates. I'm starting to see his name, and it was an unusual name, on different companies or advertisements. It's like everywhere I turn, I'm seeing his initials or his name. And I said, the universe doesn't speak English or Spanish or Japanese. The universe speaks vibration. The universe speaks feeling. And so the universe is now communicating with you through coincidence. Coincidences are now taking place in your life. That's a good sign. It wasn't much longer that she called me and said, he called me last night. We talked for 3-4 hours over the phone, and we're meeting for dinner. And what should I do? And I said, well, you should show up for dinner. And so she showed up for dinner. They had a wonderful dinner. And then it progressed into a deep love affair. And the nice thing about it is they were starting a new relationship, a new love affair. And they're still together even now. That was several years ago. Now, these coincidences don't just happen in relationships, by the way. I just use this one as an example. Coincidences happen in business too. Coincidences happen when you're looking to buy a new home. All of a sudden, you'll turn down the wrong street. And there it is. It wasn't even on your list. The home of your dreams. Coincidences happen when you're buying a new car. They happen with your career. I know one person who was cast for one role. They had this person set aside for a medium, I won't say it was a minor role in a movie, but it was a medium-sized role. And as they started putting together the movie and as the actors started working, they changed this person's role to the lead character. Unbelievable. What a coincidence. He was in the right place at the right time, and he didn't even expect to be cast at all. It was a coincidence that he even got the small role, let alone the major role. This is what happens when the law of attraction is working for you. I mean, it gets a little complex because there's a mathematical formula that expresses all this. But think about it. Are you having coincidences happen? That's a sign that you're about to manifest what you want, what you deeply desire. Things just fall into place. Oh, yeah. It's like doing a jigsaw puzzle. And you ever done one of those large jigsaw puzzles? In the beginning, it takes forever to find two pieces to match. But by the time you've been doing it for several months and you're down to the last 100 pieces, they just fall into place. Boom, 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 boom. It's like Legos coming together. Things are falling into place. Opportunities are falling into place. Everything is beginning to fall into place for you. And that's a sure sign that the universe is talking to you and that you're about to attract what you want, or even better. Opportunities fall into place. Oh, I love opportunities. If I'm given the choice between money and opportunities, I will take opportunities anytime, because opportunities can lead to unlimited wealth, unlimited happiness. Money has a finite value. Opportunities do not. I'm not saying that money is bad. I think that money is good. But opportunities are better. And I'm just feeling like opportunities are starting to come your way. And that's another sign the universe is talking to you, that you're about to attract what you really want on a big, humongous scale, massive scale. You have focused increase. I know we go through these periods of time where our mind is kind of cloudy. We don't know what we want. We don't know where we're going. We don't know which job to take, which relationship to pursue, which medicine to take, which health food store to go to. We don't know any of that. We're just cloudy. All of a sudden, your focus is increased. You know exactly what to take, where to go, because your mind is sharp, because you have a clear picture of your outcome. Your confidence is growing. You may have had periods in your life when your confidence was waning, when it was weak, but your confidence is growing. And that's a sign that the universe is working through you. I call it personal power, because you just feel like you have the ability to take on any challenge, to climb any mountain, to achieve any goal. You're where you want to be. The universe is like beating the drums, boom, 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 that you are about to manifest exactly what you desire on a very large scale through the law of attraction. Your energy is increasing. You can't seem to go to sleep at night because you are just filled with energy. Or if you do go to bed at night, you're almost like, I just got to drop because I've used so much energy through the day. But also your sex drive is increasing. You may find yourself thinking about sex more. or feeling that sexual energy in your body. That's the universe working through your energy field in your body, because when your energy increases, your sex drive increases as well. Small manifestations happen faster. I mean, everything from the traditional proverbial parking spot opening up to you to whatever. They're little manifestations, little phone calls, things happening quicker. Everything is speeding up for you. Everything is moving faster. Small manifestations are happening one right after another. It's exciting. I'm motivated. I'm excited about it. I'm excited because it's happening to me. I'm excited because I believe it's happening to you. You're seeing the numbers 777 or 1111 all the time. Those two combos, 333 can be good too, but those two combos are huge, huge, huge. It's the universe speaking to you and saying, get ready, get your bucket out, because it's going to start raining gold in your life. You're going to have exactly what you desire, what you deserve. I know this sounds crazy, shamanistic. I am the shaman of the law of attraction, I guess, but I have to share it with you. You see eagles and hawks, and perhaps they're flying overhead. That's a beautiful sign. Or they're almost like watching you. They're on trees as you drive or walk down the street. You come out and there's a beautiful hawk in your tree. Just before something major happened for Rachel and I, when we picked up a new car at an incredible value, we went into a Home Depot, and right across the street from a Home Depot in a tree was a huge, beautiful bald eagle. I'm telling you, you're seeing eagles, you're seeing hawks. Focus on your intention, because it is about to happen. And you're just in love with being alive. There's challenges. I mean, sure, people still stub their toes climbing up the mountain, but you are in love with being alive. You're excited. You're motivated. You're juiced up. You're fired up. You can't wait to get up and get into it, because this is your life. This is your time. You have a message to leave, and you have things that you want to do, people you want to do them with, money you want to make, people you want to help. You have all kinds of things going on. And there's nothing more exciting than waking up and being in love with being alive. These are important signs. They're 10 signs that you're about to manifest what you want. If you have just 2 or 3 of these signs, I want you to double down on your affirmations, double down on your energy work, double down on raising your vibrations, because it's happening. It's happening for you. I'm out of time. I'm out of breath. Okay. Hey, we got to go, but want to remind you to be sure and subscribe to us here on YouTube, and be sure and click the bell icon, and visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Thank you. Have a great day. You deserve it. Bye-bye.